Abbottabad, a city and capital of Abbottabad District, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan, is situated in the Orash Valley. Founded in 1863 by Major James Abbott. It's named after him and is located 110 kilometers north of Islamabad and 150 kilometers east of Peshawar. Abbottabad boasts breathtaking scenery, pleasant weather, and rich cultural heritage. The city has a mix of ethnic groups, primarily Pashtun, Hindko-speaking, and Kashmiri. Abbottabad served as a strategic military base during the British colonial era and was a popular hill station. It's known for its educational institutions, including the Pakistan Military Academy and the Comsats University. The city's economy thrives on agriculture, tourism, and small-scale industries. Abbottabad offers numerous attractions like Ilyasi Mosque, a beautiful mosque with stunning architecture. Shimla Hill offers panoramic views of the city. Lady Garden, a scenic park. Abbottabad Cricket Stadium hosts national and international cricket matches. Pakistan Military Academy Museum showcases military history. Orash Valley, ideal for hiking and trekking. Thandiani, a hill station nearby. Havelian, ancient ruins. The city has well-developed infrastructure, including education, healthcare, transportation, and communication. Abbottabad faces challenges like traffic congestion, water scarcity, waste management. Opportunities abound. Tourism development, agricultural growth, industrial expansion. Abbottabad is a significant city in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, offering breathtaking scenery, rich history, and economic potential.